Hello. The assignment this week is based on the four primary sources of law. When we speak of the four primary sources of law, we are referring to your federal and your state laws. I posted a template today that will assist you with the assignment for this week. You would want to download that template from the announcement page. Make sure you read the announcement, download the template, and use it to help you complete the week 1 assignment. The four primary sources of law are the Constitution, statute, case law, and administrative law. Let's get started by speaking about the Constitution. The Constitution is a document that establishes the government of a nation or a state. A constitution defines how the government is to be organized and the extent of its powers and responsibilities. A constitution can also serve to protect individual liberties. Constitutions define how governments, federal or state, are to be organized and how the power and responsibilities of these governments. Constitutions can also serve to protect individual liberties. For example, Section 1 of the 14th Amendment of the United States speaks to the protection of a person's liberties, and these can be used as their examples of what a constitution is. Statutes are federal or state law enacted by elected members of the legislature. Statutes are created by federal, state, and local legislatures, which are comprised of elected officials who, under the applicable constitutions, have the power to create laws. Courts must apply statutes, if available, to the facts of a case. If no statute exists, courts defer to common law. Statutes are therefore have control over common law where the two are in conflict. Then we have case law. Case law is law created by the judiciary as a result of interpreting existing laws. The common law has developed over hundreds of years in England and the United States and refers to legal principles created and established by the courts. It involves no legislation. Today, however, most common law principles have been enacted into statutes. Case law, then you will find you can use your state's case law to determine or to use as an example. Administrative law is law created by administrative agencies, including regulations, policies and procedures, hearings, and appeals heard by agencies. As regulations become more pervasive, the body of administrative law has become increasingly important. Administrative law refers to the regulations created by administrative agencies. Administrative agencies are created by the legislature by what is called enabling statutes. For example, Congress has charged the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, with the protection of the environment, and Congress has also enacted legislation concerning the environment, such as the Clean Air Act and the Clean Water Act. It is up to the EPA to enforce these laws as created by Congress. Congress has also allowed the EPA to create its own regulations to enforce legislation Congress has enacted. For example, if Congress enacted legislation that mandated that all motor vehicle emissions be reduced by 30% by 2018, and authorize the EPA to determine how to achieve such a goal. The EPA would write regulations to comply with the law. States have similar administrative agencies. Just make sure that you review the information posted on the announcement page, and good luck with the assignment this week. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.